Hey y'all, I'm just gonna take you through my skincare routine, and I'm taking you through my nighttime one because it's kind of similar to the day, but different at the same time. All right, let's get into it. First, you gotta remove all the jewelry. And I do have on a little bit of makeup, but it's the end of the day, so it's worn out. Double cleanse, and I like to use an oil cleanser. I have been using the Palmer's Cocoa Butter formula with vitamin E Skin Therapy Cleansing Oil. So deep cleans and brightens, removes makeup and impurities. So sometimes I'll even use this if I don't have on makeup. Just get my hands a little damp. Just open it first. One pump is good because I just have on like eye makeup and some concealer on the top of my face, but I also like to use this to break down my moisturizer that has SPF. And then I'm just going to take my washcloth with warm water and melt that off my face. All right, so I do double cleanse. So I have 3 cleansers that I keep in rotation depending on what I'm feeling and what my skin needs. So I do have this First Aid Beauty deep cleanser. I typically will use this at night. Then I have this CeraVe foaming facial cleanser. This is just good all around. You can use it anytime. Just a good go-to. Me and my husband have been sharing it. It's kind of low. And then also I use this Aveeno Skin Brightening Daily Scrub just when my skin is feeling a little bit dull when it needs to be freshened. But like I said, at night this is what I use typically because I take my shower at night and I'll wash my face in the shower. But it is a deep cleanser, but it's okay to use every day. So I like to work it in my hands for a little bit, kind of activate those ingredients, and then wash. And I make sure that I clean my eyelids as well. And I like to wash my face for 60 seconds. So I sing the Fresh Prince of Bel-Air theme song, and that gives me about 60 seconds. All right, I have that rinsed off, pat my face dry, and I go in with my toner. I use Witch Hazel. Sometimes I have like an actual toner, but Witch Hazel works for me. And I know it's not for everybody. But I just took a little bit in my hands, and then I just pat it into my face, and then I let that dry. While I let that dry, I'm gonna talk to you about my serums. So at night, I will use one of 2 serums. I'll use retinol, or I'll use this overnight exfoliating treatment. It has AHA and BHA, so it's a chemical exfoliant, but I'll use that about 2 to 3 times a week. And then in the daytime, I use my vitamin C and hyaluronic acid. All the stuff that I have, I'll be sure to link it down below. A lot of this I got from Amazon, so I'll be sure to link it. And I even have it on subscription. All right, I'm gonna take some of this retinol serum, and I just dot, dot, dot. And then pat it in like that, and just pat that into the skin. I do have this eye cream. It has rosehip and hibiscus. It has anti-aging moisturizer. I don't use this all the time. That's actually one that hasn't been opened. But I'll just take a little bit on my ring finger like this. And put it under my eyes. And also on my lid, right there in that orbital bone. And just press that in. Boom. Nighttime. I use this Garnier Skin Active Rose Water Moisturizer. It is very thick. So it's actually a 3-in-1. You can use it for daytime, nighttime, or as a mask. But I only use it for night because it's so thick. And there you see that. Depending on how my skin's been feeling, it's how much I'll take. But there's the consistency. I'm actually gonna take some of that off. And like it says, you can use this as like a mask and just let it sit on your face for 5 to 10 minutes. And then you can rub off the excess. And y'all see the real deal texture of my skin. I think my skin looks good. You know, get up close, what do y'all think? I think my skin looks good, pretty healthy. And then at night, seal it all in with this Palmer's Skin Therapy Face Oil. Because I like to look like a glazed donut. And for reference, I have oily skin and some sensitive skin in some areas, but mostly my skin is oily. My sensitive skin is underneath my eyes, but I think that's for everybody. That's why I don't use the eye cream as much. So I have oily acne prone skin. And when I say acne, it's like 1 or 2 bumps. As you can see, there's one. I think there was a little bit over here, but no major breakouts. Little indentation from my glasses. And then sometimes for my night routine, I will mask about once or twice a week. So I have these masks from Freeman. Got them off of Amazon. They came in this 4-pack, but this is the anti-stress clay mask. This is a purifying clay mask. I have a renewing gel mask. And then this 2-in-1 gel mask and scrub with charcoal. So just depending on what I feel like my skin needs, that's what I'll do, or I'll multi-mask. I think I have a clip of me multi-masking with these two. I'll throw that in here. And then these are my 2 clay masks, which I like to reach for more often. If I want to do something chill, I'll use this one, a little more aggressive, the scrubbing one. So I have the Anti-Stress Dead Sea Minerals Clay Mask, instantly clears pores and balances for renewed skin, 10-minute mask. And then we have the Purifying Avocado and Oatmeal Clay Mask, and instantly deep cleans and nourishes for fresh skin. So I don't know, I might multi-mask. You know, I've been doing that. So this one clears pores and balances for renewed skin, deep cleans and nourishes for fresh skin. So y'all saw them pores. So I have my little mask applicator. So I'm gonna put this on my cheeks, and this is the anti-stress one. Because I feel like this skin right here can get irritated because it's under a mask. So it needs the stress relief, okay? It needs it. And then I'm gonna put this on my forehead as well because I feel like that just needs Jesus. Okay? Trying to act up. But try to spread it out in a nice, even layer wherever you apply it. So, until that's thick. And it smells so good. These masks smell amazing. And then this purifying mask, I'm gonna put everywhere else. Alright, just trying to make sure it's spread out nice and even. So I'm gonna let that sit for 10 minutes. Then I'm gonna come back. I just wet my rag, let it soak on my face because the mask is gonna harden. And I just wipe it off and then go on to the next step. Since I did mention some of my morning routine, for my morning moisturizer, this is what I use, the Cetaphil Derma Control Oil Absorbing Moisturizer with SPF 30. It's for oily and sensitive skin, but I actually been looking, I want to start looking into maybe replacing this moisturizer. I don't know if it's giving what I need it to give, but we shall see. And then lastly, I moisturize my lips with this Burnt Bees Flavor Crystals Lip Balm, Tropical Pineapple. It has a little exfoliating crystals, and I'll put that on to moisturize my lips. Look at them, they're so dry. Amazing. All right, you all, that is my updated skincare routine and skincare products. Again, I'll link everything in the description box down below. If there's anything you would like to try, go ahead and click on that link and have a go. But that is it for today's video, beauties. Thank you so much for watching. But before you go, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you in the next one. Oh yeah, and this is Vlogtober, so thanks for tuning in. So the next one will be tomorrow. Bye.
Oh, baby, does he do it for you? When he's finished, does he step back in?